Hi guys, I am back. It's been a long time. I think मैंने last video 6 महीने पहले upload करी थी and उसके बाद life has taken a 180. A lot of things have changed. तो मैंने सोचा I'll just sit today. I'll give you little life updates, but I don't think as many people care about my life updates. तो उसके बाद I will jump into something more fun, जो कि should I hide? मतलब मैं title में डाल दूँगी. I am going to just sit down and do a few show recommendations because I think I survive on watching shows on Netflix and nowadays Prime. So I socha कि I'll just sit down, give you little reviews, tell you what shows you should watch. If like certain shows that I've watched are not very popular, but I think लोगों को देखना चाहिए. So yeah, let's get started. Before we start, I would like to say पटाखे नहीं ख़त्म हो रहे लोगों के. But yeah, before I start, I would like to say two things. One, try to watch it 2x पे. I think when I'm editing, I hear myself 2x पे. मुझे लगता है मैं बहुत धीरे बात करती हूँ. But yeah, I think it'll be better that way. And the second thing, क्या मैं भूल गई? हाँ, every time I touch my hair, take a shot. Maybe take a shot of water क्योंकि you need to stay hydrated. But I have noticed I keep on playing with my hair and it's so annoying to me. But make a game out of it. Just have fun doing that. So yeah, with that being said, let's get ahead and start with my life updates first. So yeah, I'll tell you all what happened in the last not 6 months but like 4 to 5 months. I have moved to Mumbai now. I got a job and I got the job in May. Like I had started talking about it in May and then I moved there June end. I moved there June end and तब से I've been living in Mumbai. अभी I'm back for Diwali break. एंड मैं 2 बार ही घर आई हूँ. मैं दुर्गा पूजा के लिए आई थी बट दुर्गा पूजा के टाइम पे everything was, first of all, I was coming back for the first time and I was extremely overwhelmed. I had a lot of plans, so this time I was very sure कि मैं घर आऊँगी तो मुझे बस घर पे बैठना है, कुछ नहीं करना. Very limited plans, not going to meet a lot of people. I'll just like chill in the house. And फिर मैंने सोचा कि मेरे डेड यूट्यूब चैनल को थोड़ी लाइफ ऐसे स्प्रिंकल कर देते हैं. कल से पटाखे इनके रुक नहीं रहे हैं. एक तो दिमाग खराब हो गया. आई हैव माइग्रेन इशूज विच इज़ नॉट अ लाइफ अपडेट, मुझे हमेशा से है, बट वो दिल्ली के 500 AQI में और ख़राब हो रहा है. सो या, दैट इज़ पार्ट 1 ऑफ थिंग्स. एंड इफ let's see if I want to get into my life in Mumbai. Maybe I think that can be like a whole video. अब जिनको मेरी लाइफ से फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता था वो ये वाला पार्ट देख लो, और मेरे ओपिनियन से तुम लोगों को फ़र्क पड़ना चाहिए, वरना तुम वीडियो क्यों देख रहे हो. लॉल, मैं इतनी येलो लग रही हूँ भाई. दैट्स बिकॉज मैंने यहाँ से ऐसे खुद के ऊपर येलो लाइट फेंकी है. बट येस, सो कमिंग टू माई शो रिकमेंडेशंस. ब्रीदिंग टाइम. एंड मैं यहाँ पे से फ्रेंड्स, हाउ आई मेट योर मदर, बिग बैंग थ्योरी टाइप शोज़ की बात नहीं करना चाहती बिकॉज आई थिंक दीज शोज़ एवरीवन हैज़ वॉच्ड. एंड आई मीन, अगर तुम लोगों ने नहीं भी देखा है, आई थिंक यू मस्ट हैव हर्ड इट सो मैनी टाइम्स कि मुझे रेकमेंड करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. बट देर आर सर्टन शोज दैट आई हैवंट हर्ड पीपल टॉक अबाउट अ लॉट, बट मुझे लगता है, ओह माय गॉड, दिस इज सो अमेजिंग, यू शुड वॉच इट, यू शुड वॉच इट. आई एम द कंप्लीट ऑपोजिट ऑफ अ gatekeeper. If I like something, I need everyone to watch it. I want to sit down with people and discuss that. तो इसलिए आज I'm going to talk about the shows that anytime I find someone कि उन्होंने ये देखा, I'm like, yeah, let's talk about it. So yes, let's go. Okay, so first show that is something I have like rewatched multiple times. आई थिंक मेरे दिमाग में जो शोज़ मैं ज़्यादा रीवॉच करती हूँ, दे आर लाइक अमेजिंग शोज़, ऑफकोर्स क्योंकि मैं रीवॉच कर रही हूँ. सो द फर्स्ट शो दैट आई थिंक दैट पीपल शुड वॉच एंड इट्स सो अंडररेटेड, इट्स सुपरस्टोर. यू गाइस शुड वॉच. इट्स अ सिटकॉम. इट्स अ वर्क प्लेस कॉमेडी जहाँ पे सुपर स्टोर होता है एक. स्टूपिड. a store named Cloud9, and the entire show is placed inside the store only. It's amazing. It has 6 seasons. It's funny. It's just a nice show to watch. The second show that I love is One Day at a Time. I think I watched it in 2019, 2020, before the fourth season came. And उसके first 3 seasons are on Netflix. Fourth season I found it on Reddit कि किसी ने Google Drive पे बनाया हुआ था, and that's how I've watched the fourth season because Netflix did not release it. And yeah, I think that show is amazing. If you have political opinions like me, if you're like not a Trump supporter and stuff like that, you would really enjoy that show. If that is not your vibe, you won't like it. It's very my type. It's very progressive in a way while being realistic. So I really enjoy that show, and I would urge everyone to watch it because again, it is funny. It's very light-hearted in some way. I don't know how to put it. Like, they will talk about very serious issues and show a very realistic side of it while making it funny. So yeah, amazing show. Please watch it. Hee hee. I need to stop saying hee as in person because it's so weird. By the way, fun fact, I say lamao in real life. I say lol. Like, I'll talk, I'm like, haha, lol. I speak like I text, and then I text like I speak. So yeah, being my friend is a task for people. What other show? मैंने अभी अपना Netflix का watch again वाला खोल लिया है, so I can tell you like what shows I like. The Good Place. I think Good Place a lot of people have seen, but again, it's not like one of the cult favorite shows. So y'all should watch Good Place. You should watch New Girl. Again, these are very popular sitcoms. New Girl and Two Broke Girls I watched. All of these I watched this year because I was just chilling and watching shows. So this year I mean, Netflix released The Rookie. And मैंने उसके YouTube पे काफ़ी सारे clips देखे थे, so I was really excited to watch the show. But turns out it's not like a funny show. I expected it to be funny क्योंकि all the YouTube shorts of the show were just like tiny clips of like romance between the main characters and whatever. नहीं है, बहुत ही heavy show है. I went in without expecting it to be like that, but it's nice. Like, currently I am watching The Blue Blood on Prime Video. I'm liking it for now, but I think उसके 11-12 seasons है, तो देखते हैं मैं कितने टाइम तक commit कर सकती हूँ उसके लिए. I do like watching like long shows, but yeah, I think if anyone is also watching it, I would love to talk about it.
Another comedy drama. Did I name a comedy drama? Comedy drama. What am I saying? Wait. Give my brain a break.
Okay, another show that is crime, detectives and all of that, which I love, and it's not on Netflix anymore. I don't know where it is, but मैंने 2 बार देख लिया. It's Psych. How have people not seen it? Why is it such an underrated show? I will tell you what I feel like when I was watching the show. The main character is exactly like Jake from Brooklyn Nine-Nine. Like, it's just Jake on steroids. And it's a really fun show. It's amazing. Like, all the episodes are really nice. I do not want to give like a lot of information about the show. Basically, the main character has eidetic memory. He solves crimes because of that, and he pretends that he is a psychic. That's the show, and it's quite cute. You should watch it. It's really funny. Again, it's really funny. It's not as light-hearted because it's drama. It's not like a sitcom, but yeah, it's a really fun show. If you can get your hands on it, like if you can find it on the internet, you should definitely watch it. Another show that people should watch if they are into realistic stuff, and if they do not watch things just to like feel good, but to actually see what happens in the world, it is Parenthood. And oh my god, I think by far it's the best realistic show I have ever seen. Like, the emotions, they are so raw. All the characters are flawed. Like, there's not one character that you love from day one till the last day. they always have their like highs and lows, and you have to judge them accordingly. You see whether you want to forgive them or not. And the response that they get from the other characters from the show, that is also so realistic. So I mean, I love Parenthood. I have recommended it to so many people, but at the same time, I completely understand if it's not everyone's cup of tea. It is, मुझे लगता है people watch, छोड़ दो. I think most people watch shows या something to escape the reality. I'm not that person. I love sad endings. I love एकदम मतलब कि मुझे धक्का लगे, मुझे feel हो. I am not big on like happy endings and stuff. Tells a lot about my mental health, by the way. But yeah, if you are that person who enjoys something super realistic, you should definitely watch Parenthood. मैंने एक सांस में इतने shows के नाम ले लिए हैं. पता है मुझे क्या सुनना चाहिए? गाइडेड मेडिटेशन. ये जो मैं 50 शोज बिंज वॉच करती हूँ उसकी वजह से आई एम दिस पर्सन. वेल, माई लिस्ट हैज़ नॉट एंडेड येट. ऑफ कोर्स इफ आई एम सेइंग कि मैं हमेशा शोज देखती हूँ तो मैंने इससे ज़्यादा तो देखे ही होंगे. सो दिस ईयर आई ऑल्सो वॉच ग्रेस एंड फ्रैंकी. If you like shows about older people, you might enjoy it. Like, that is something I have recently realized I really like. I loved 4 seasons. It's like people who are 40 and above. It's fun to watch, and it's also to realize that your life does not end at like 20 or 30. So again, random information. I turned 24 this year. And ever since I turned 24, I've just been feeling so old. And 24 is not old. Like, it's just the starting of my life. But I've just been feeling so old. I feel like time is passing by. कि मैंने कुछ अचीव नहीं किया अभी तक लाइफ में. कुछ नहीं चल रहा. I have nothing going on for me. But yeah, I mean, when I watch these shows, I realize that लोगों की लाइफ में 40 के बाद भी चीज़ें बदलती है. Like, things can get better or worse, or new things can happen to you. You can enter new friendships or new relationships, or just whatever, like a new business or work or something. So मुझे ऐसे shows बहुत पसंद है. So 4 seasons is one of those shows, which is about like people in their 40s, how they go through life with their relationships. Then Grace and Frankie, I think it's about people in their 60s. I don't know their exact age, but yeah, these are 2 older women who become friends, besties, after they find out that their husbands love each other. So yeah, and the third show, again similar lines, not exactly the same as Hacks. मैं अभी साइड में तब से यही देख रही हूँ कि what are the shows that I've watched. Hacks is about, how do I put it? टाइम हो गया मुझे देखे हुए. इसके भी अभी नए सीजन्स आ रहे हैं. Hacks is about this older, I'm guessing she's like a stand-up comic. She's a comic, and then she hires this writer who's a 20, like mid-20, late 20s में, and it's about their relationship and how they are with each other. It's a roller coaster. The whole show is a roller coaster. It is a drama. Love it. You guys should watch it. लेकिन वही है कि I don't like shows जो आधे Netflix पे हैं and then I have to switch to another platform to watch the rest of the show. That is a problem with this. But if you don't mind that, watch it. It's a fun watch. Also, there are shows that are cancelled, but I love them and I don't understand why they were cancelled. One, I recently watched No Good Nick. It does not have 2 seasons. It has 2 parts, but उसके बाद they cancelled it. I was a really nice show. I'm genuinely disappointed. One of my favorite shows that was cancelled has been The Society on Netflix. एक season आया. The first season was so good. They were working on the second season, लेकिन COVID आ गया and then they had to stop working and it got cancelled. I'm so sad about it, but I would love for people to watch the show and come up with their theories कि वो last episode के cliffhanger के बाद क्या हुआ होगा. I love that show and I think it's amazing. I wish कि they come back or something, or they have like different characters, or in some way that storyline should be back. So yeah, what other show? I love Boss Baby, guys. I think everyone should watch Boss Baby. Such a cute baby. Love that show. I love Babysitters. I love Babysitters Club. And yeah, I love Greenhouse Academy. That's for kids, I know. But I watched it again a few years back, I think 2-3 years back. And the ending of it just makes your brain go. It's amazing. Please watch it just for the last episode. Isme starting mein it's very like teen drama things, but crazy ending. I don't think, again, I think this was also cancelled, but yeah, the ending was crazy. What else is there? I think that's about it. Like mainly मुझे ये वीडियो इसलिए बनानी थी because I want people to watch Parenthood and Psych so much. I've posted it on my threads. My threads, it just has 2 posts. That's it. And that is about, one is about Psych and one is about Parenthood. तो मैंने सोचा कि I'll just sit down and recommend all shows. अब मेरे घर वाले पीछे से चिल्लाना शुरू कर चुके हैं, so I think I should end my video. And yeah, that's it. I hope to see, drink water. Okay, so I am done. I will see you guys hopefully in Mumbai. And yeah, that's about it. Hope you guys had fun. Bye.